Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can transfer data to your Google Drive, so let's get right into it. Now, it doesn't matter if you're on PC or if you're on mobile, the process is exactly the same for both, so let me show you how it is done. So, firstly, you get into Google Drive. In my case, I'm on my browser, and you want to locate your new button or your upload button. In my case, it says new. Just click on that and you can click file upload or folder upload, and you can find items on your drive or on your device rather, and upload them through this option. You will have the option to scour through your device for any data you might want, and then you'll be able to upload it. On PC, you have an even shorter version and an even quicker version. You can go and open up your Explorer, your file explorer, whatever it is, locate the files you want. For example, in my case, it's this tutorial that I've made, and just click it and drag it over and drop it, and as you can see, it's uploaded right now, and you can very easily access it whenever you want, and it's very, as you can see, quick and very efficient. And that's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.